Hi, my name is Chris Seng, and I'm in Hour 7, Pod 1, and this is the assignment Section 5, Winter Biology Book Club, or BBC, and date is April 2nd, 2018. Section was from chapters 10 to 12 and encompassed 70 pages from 222 to 292. The titles of these chapters were Medicinal Cannibalism in the Case of Human Dumplings, Out of the Fire into the Compost Bin, and Will She or Won't She, corresponding to 10, 12, and 11. 10, 11, and 12. There were pictures of an obscure box, a dumpling, and a picture of a woman working in a factory. Chapter 10 focused on religion and the willingness of others to give their bodies to save others. This also talks about the live California canines, which states the death and consumption of pets instead of cremation. Chapter 11 focuses on the death of animals in wild and urbanized areas and how that is dealt with by us humans. The cremation and disposal of humans after death is a topic following right after, and it includes a process of cremation that uses water under pressure and lye instead of fire. Then the chapter moves on to the process of the food industry and how they create food through highly industrialized forms of grinding and killing livestock in order to meet the demand of the public. Chapter 12 focused on Mary Roach's own story and how she would dedicate her own body to science. This doesn't really relate to my personal life because I haven't really gone through the death of anyone, whether it be an animal or human. I want to know about the processes of cremation. However, I'm sort of interested in donation of someone's life to science because I believe that is important. An aha moment in the chapter was on page 277, where Roach wrote, "It's very important to feel like I'm not crazy," because in that line of work, that is very important and explains the processes of everyday scientists in that field. The end of chapter 12, where Roach sort of brought everything back together, resonated with me because of the fact that she went far more in depth with thought-provoking questions and tied up any loose endings. In this section, I learned that there are racist laws created by against Asian immigrants, and that cremation is more of an expensive procedure that would have been thought of. This section connected to domains 6 and 2 because it shows how organs in the human body communicate in the day-to-day functions of them. Domains 5 and 6 have not been discussed, and 3 and 4 have been hinted at altogether. As it has been and I want to know more about stuff like her own personal thoughts, and all of these events instead of compilation and reader suspicion. Also, I want to know more about how the tribes of people on Earth get along when cannibalism is seen as a common thing.